After takeoffing the aeroplane will totally fly on the base of autopilot mode. So the day on that particular day, airplane has got.
Place at our syllabus, or we will search, or we will ask the AI tool to give us answers quickly. So when this happens, we don't actually go by ourselves, and we don't search the matters by ourselves. And also, if we write any essays, if we are writing any essays or anything, the most crucial nature of human development is being affected by this. Because we humans, as we are evolving, because of problem solving itself, we are able to secure, we are able to create AI. But if we use that same thing which is used to solve our problems as our own source, then I don't think we will be able to go any further. Because anything that is being developed these days is being used by AI only. Because we can also see AI being implemented in healthcare also, and then AI is being used to collect our data and also give us prescriptions as well. All verifications are being done by this software systems only, but not by us. And I also feel like if you use it in a positive way, then it is good for you. If you use it in a limited way. So if you are feeling a lot of pressure, if you are you are stuck with a lot of assignments, then you don't know how to finish them quickly, you can use it for time management. But if you use it only the information which is given by AI to solve your problems, then you will be losing your ability to think or ability to create or write your own answers in anything. So there can be a time when you need to write and you need to present by your own self, but you might feel helpless and you are unable to form the sentences because you relied on AI before. And also there is a study which is done in 2025 in August 17 in MIT by two neuroscientists. They grouped the students in three groups. In group 1, they made them to write the essays by the only source of books. But then in group 2, they allowed them to use Google also. And then in group 3, they told them to just completely rely on writing their essays on using AI. But when they scan their brain to observe the development portion, where the critical thinking or creativity or problem solving, all these areas which are being active in the brain were shown only in the students who, only in the group who studied or written their essay through brainstorming through various sources or various books. But Google is like it's a source of information. It doesn't give you knowledge if you use it wisely. And also when they observed the people who wrote from AI, they found that 40% reduction in the